and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now I've got another unboxing to do tonight, but before we get going I want to give a shout out to Wheels Dan. Many of you may already know him and be following his channel, but if you don't, he's a chap that was involved in 2 accidents and was left paralysed, but he has not let this stop him in life, and he does woodworking, metalwork, scuba diving, and takes on pretty much every challenge that he can. He's about to embark on a world record attempt to do the furthest freshwater scuba dive using arms only. This will be a distance of about 5 kilometers, 5 to 6 meters underwater, and he estimates it will take him about 6 hours to do. And obviously this is without surfacing at all during that time. He's raising money for worthy causes, places that has helped him to be where he is now. But please do go and check out his Just Giving page to see more details about what it is he's doing and why. And if you can, please support him and his cause as well. But anyway, back to the unboxing. So on my previous lathe, I needed a small chuck, and as it didn't have a lot of torque, and I then went for the Rutlands Xact 3, which is now been discontinued, and I believe it's now the Precision 75. Was a nice little set, and came with an adapter for that lathe, as this is a 1x8 TPI. Now this thread does not fit my new lathe, which is a 33 by 3.5, so I had to get an adapter to fit onto that lathe, but it fits quite far away, and as a small chuck it won't hold big pieces. Obviously still very useful for small items, but I needed something bigger. I have looked at the record power chucks, but at the moment can't justify the cost on those, and I was really impressed with this kit from Rutlands, so I decided to buy their Precision 100. So the box is a little bit crushed because my daughter decided to use it as a step to get to things you should not be getting to. But it comes in 2 boxes, so it does not come with a nice carry case as the previous one did. But I will make some space in the workshop where I can have these readily available. So open them. So a box of various jaws and the chuck itself. So let's see. So a handy little booklet that actually tells me all the jaws, all the items that's in the box as well. And let's see. Obviously it tells you how to fit it all together. Looks like cleaning it out as well, and tells you also how to use each jaw type to mount items. But let's see, let's get the chuck out first. So the dovetail is already mounted, dovetail jaws is already mounted in the chuck, but already you can see the difference between the two. So that's the 75 and then the 100. So good weight on that, correct thread as well. There's various options you can choose on the website, and they will send adapters with it if it can't be direct threaded to the lathe that you've got. It then also comes with a face ring with it. So I purchased separately for the smaller jaws face ring before, but this is very handy to have. Comes with a grub screw as well, and that's nice and sturdy. One will fit into the dovetail jaws there. Then I think these are so they're just a pin jaw, so because I'm confusing them with the longer extended dovetail there. And there's then also the ripple jaws, which as if you can see there, a sort of ripples. It's a straight down, but the ripples will then provide extra grip on pieces as well. We get the so the button jaws, as they call it, obviously cold jaws. Now, if you compare to what I had in the other kit, that's a size from the previous kit. So that is going to be so much more useful for reversing pieces and when I'm turning the tenon away. I then also have the set of buttons there, and two sets, so long and short, and then an Allen key for them specifically. There's also extra bolts for the jaws, so obviously spares if you lose those. And then I've got the power grip jaws as well, so nice big, so I can take a nice big tenon on those as well, or mortise itself. You then get your Allen key that will undo the bolts on the chuck. Obviously not as quick as say an easy wood chuck itself, but works well enough. Just make sure you don't lose those bolts as in your workshop. That has nearly happened in some shavings. And then the chuck key again. So just a square port in there. But yeah, they've got a very nice, smooth, nice action there as well. And yeah, I look forward to using them. But I hope that was useful, just seeing the kit that's offered by Rutlands. Like I said, I've frequented their shop now a few times and always been impressed by the manufacture of the tools they've got, and we'll probably end up buying more there over the years as well. But that's a good set to get me going with a new lathe and set me up for some bigger pieces as well. Well, thank you for joining me tonight. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.